Today in the Big Tire Garage, I want to show you guys some tools from TMR Customs. Now, TMR Customs is known for basically off-road parts, suspension components like brackets and tabs and different things that make building your rig a lot easier. But they also have a full line of tools that make working in your shop a lot easier to tackle different projects. Now, the first one that I want to show you is the Machete XL rod and flat bar bender. Once you've unboxed your Machete XL, you will see the powder-coated and black oxide finished bending handle, the degree wheel and pointer, equipped with large 5/8 dowel pins for the ultimate in bending strength. The Machete can easily bend 3/16, quarter, and 3/8 solid round bar and up to 1/4 inch thick, 2-inch wide flat plate. To assemble the bender, mount the degree wheel in a vise, drop on the bending arm, and bolt on the XL Machete handle and install the adjustable pointer. The dowels provide bending surfaces for flat and solid round bar. Now you can use the rod and flat bar bender just out of the box like I showed you to add bends to this flat plate or even solid rod. But where it really starts to shine is when you add the optional die sets that are available for that tool. There is a round bar and tube die, so this means that you can bend anything from 3/16 up to 1/2 inch tubing or round bar, and you can use this for brake lines and fuel lines. That is a game changer. Or you can use the large flat plate dies, and that just changes the radius or size of the basically curve that you're bending into the flat bar. Add these to the tool and it changes it completely. The dies are 2-inch tall, black oxide coated, and CNC machined in-house at TMR from heat-treated chromoly for a lifetime of durability. The tube dies come in 3 different radiuses. So you have a 1-inch radius, a 2-inch radius, and a 3-inch radius. And to set the tool up, what you do is you put whatever size radius you want to bend. So in this case, I'm gonna do some 3/8. So I'm gonna do a 3-inch radius. And then you just put the other dies on the other 2 pegs. One on the actual dial wheel and the other one on the bender. And then you're ready to bend. Having the ability to swap out the center tube die to different radiuses makes the bender a lot more versatile than just your handheld bender that you get from your local tube supplier. You can do different bends, different angles, anything that you need in up to 1/2 inch thick tubing. Now, one thing you do need to pay attention to when you're dealing with thin wall line or thin wall tubing like the line that you would get from your parts store, there is going to be a maximum limit that you're going to be able to bend it before it might kink. So you want to run a few test bends through the bender before you commit to a final design. Now, the Machete bender does great at bending, but one thing that you might want to consider getting as well, especially if when you buy your line it shows up on a coil like this, is one of these tube straighteners. A tube straightener uses a series of wheels to flatten out and remove any bends in the hard line. Another way that I like to use the Machete bender in the shop is to build exhaust hanger brackets out of round rod. Now, before I just grab the round rod and start bending it up to shape, I always start with a template. And for the template, I just use inexpensive TIG rod. Bit. Bend's gonna be there. Perfect. That's all she needs. So now that our hanger matches our template, it's ready to weld onto the truck. There we go. Get your Machete XL bender or any of the TMR tools at tmrcustoms.com.